Yo guys, what's up? I'm going to be looking over here, mainly just because that's where all my charts and everything are. I can actually see it from over here while I talk to you as well. I have it on both screens kind of. So right now, AWX was by far the play this morning. Ran up a couple points from the way it looks, from the way I played it. My 9 a.m. strategy, guys. If you guys haven't saw it in my course yet, and if you guys just want my 9 a.m. strategy, which is pre-market, but a lot of you I know have it. A lot of my students do have it. If you guys want my 9 a.m. strategy, I'm only gonna charge like $50 for the whole thing. Definitely just let me know. I may even go cheaper than that. Just let me know. But right now, we're going to go over this trade because not only did this become a perfect 9 a.m. strategy, but it just became the perfect play so fast. And that's really what got me. Yes, I have a little bit of a nicer chair. I'm still on vacation, actually. This is my little brother's room. He's got a better setup than I do, and I make way more money. So I'm staying with my parents for a couple days, a couple more days while I'm kind of visiting them before I head back. So anyways, other than that, we're going to get right into this video. This one was up quite a bit. Let's zoom out. Let's go. I mean, as you can see, we were down here trading $3 yesterday. As you can see, we're at 570 or 603 right now. My bad. So this gapped or was up last night. Yeah, gapped up last night during post-market. This morning during pre-market, it was holding. It held its gains right in through here, and I really liked that. It kept bouncing off of it and started trending up right in here. We'll put a trend line here. And this is something that I really like to see. Extend to the right. And guys, I do this while trading, so I did erase most of it. But I do this while trading, so we don't even need this at this point anymore. We don't even need this part. So what I'm going to do is go on ahead and push it up over here. That way we get some bigger candles and stuff like that. So what I saw was this was the high right here. We're almost at $5, so I'm expecting this to try to push at least $5. And it's still uptrending. So at 9 a.m., right here's 9 a.m., I was already in here at about 9:10. Yeah, so right in here. We did get a push. And then from here on out, guys, this is as simple as just moving your stop loss up. And guys, I am completely out of this play right now. I actually exited twice because I really wasn't for sure what it was doing in here. I took a lot of profit right in here at this 530 mark. I really just wanted out because I knew that it was starting to get toppy when you start seeing these little twitch trying to wick. But then we had a really scary little pullback. So again, my stop loss though was up in here at this $5 range, but it literally came down and pretty much nipped it, and then came back up. So if you could have bought at 5, it would have been a good buy. And then I ended up selling the rest in here like 5. I want to say 525. I was out because I really didn't know if it was going to pull back or not and just crash. It's really just moving your stop loss up quite a bit. This one, again, I had quite a bit of room. I could have let this one run even further. I didn't. I'm not here to tell you that I did. But again, I was in here at 450, so when I'm making it here at 550 and stuff like that and 530, I'm almost making 100% on my money guaranteed. So I didn't make 100%. I didn't make 100% on my money, or not even 100%. 1 point on my money. I didn't make $1 per share. What am I making, like 75 cents? Still, try doing that anywhere else. You're not going to make 100% on your money unless this thing runs to $10. And right now, as you can see, this thing's having a really hard pullback. I'm expecting it to hold right in here. It did hold this one for quite a while. I can remove this one now because I was expecting it to hold it and then kind of pop it back up a little bit and at least try to double top of this. I may be going a little bit fast for some of you. And that's why you really take my course, why I take my time. I break it all down, and that's really the reason for it. and the teaching process. This is really just free information that I'm giving you guys, just showing what I see every day. And I do trade a new stock every single day. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's just how it is. I mean, every now and then you'll have one that was hot the day before, and it's still pushing. I will play those again. So sometimes I'll trade the same stock 2 times in a week. It just happens. Or if one gets good news later in the week that I played on Monday or Tuesday or something, vice versa. You know what I'm saying? You know how it works. But these are day trades. I don't really swing trade a whole lot. But this took off, and I mean, we got some news. We have a catalyst, and those are the ones that if you don't have any news down here, usually that means it's getting pumped, and you're liable to see a really epic short. If people can either find shares to short, because there's not always shares to short. If somebody says they're shorting absolutely everything, that's a bunch of BS. I'm going to give it to you right now. You can't always find shares to short, and that's why I chart with TD Ameritrade, and then I actually use E-Trade to trade. It just works out better that way, and I don't have to worry about trying to find shorts, because it'll either tell me instantly, and I'll try it in the morning, it'll tell me instantly whether there are shorts or not to share. So when people are saying this one's been down for like 5 days and then it just falls off the earth and they're saying they shorted it, they're lying. There's no way that it's possible that the brokerage is allowing them to short, unless you have just a really, really high network broker. I mean, you got to realize they're losing money when you're right on that. But anyways, that doesn't matter. This was a really good trade. I'm pretty proud of this trade, even though this one's looking like it's going to fail, sadly. I mean, it'll still end up green on the day, of course, because of how far it's up here. But this was a perfect pinch moment, breakout pattern. Again, guys, I teach all of this. I'm giving you guys a lot of good free information. You guys see the resistance right here at this high point. You see it break it, and it just takes off. And this happens all the time. I mean, you do get fake outs. That is part of this game. And again, that's why we're cutting losses quickly, having stop losses, things like that. I have said before, I don't always use stop losses, like automatically put them in there. I will use manual stop losses, so that basically the computer, if it goes and tries, if I'm up so much, the computer will see stop losses and try to, or all the automated bots and everything that are trading for other people will come down, try to hit it, stop people out, and then take off again. So basically what I do is I give it a little bit of a buffer period, and then let it run back up. But that's basically the video for today. I am going to try to keep putting out more content for you guys. My daily watch list people have been killing it lately. So guys, if you guys are seeing this, I know a lot of you don't even watch my YouTube anymore since we talk so much direct. Again, guys, when you guys take my course, you guys get my phone number, you guys get my email. So all the time I am on my phone. I did get the new iPhone X here lately. I didn't want to get the brand new one that's getting ready to come out, so I went on ahead and got that. But guys, if you guys want nice things, want to learn how to trade, want financial freedom, guys, I can help you with that. I've got multiple guys now that are financially free because I didn't charge them a fortune. I understand people can't afford $7,000 like Tim Sykes charges, and I mean, he's a good guy. I like him. I have nothing against him whatsoever. I mean, Warrior Trading, they charge $4,000. Foos, well, I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. I've never met him or talked to him or anything. Great people. I've ended up buying all of their stuff over the time, and that's how I learned, guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm very straightforward. But I think it's ridiculous to spend that much amount of money. I mean, I understand it's a business. But also you're making this much money trading, and you say that you can teach us people trading, so why not trade and learn it? I'm not trying to rant here, but that's why I make mine so much cheaper. I make money here trading, so I don't have to charge you guys a fortune. It's how I afford nice things, honestly. And I've also now branched out and started other businesses as well. I have business partners and everything else. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want me to do reviews on anybody or anything trading wise or even business wise, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below those videos that you want, and I will make sure to put them up. If not, I will keep doing these kind of videos, and we will keep rolling. We have been growing slowly. That's what I like. If you're not following me on Instagram already, definitely follow me on Instagram. The link will be below. I do do giveaways and free things like that every once in a blue moon. I don't do it a whole lot because, again, my stuff's already so cheap. I get told all the time I should be charging way more for my course, or I just don't like robbing people. So with that being said, guys, I hope you all have a great. I hope you all had a great Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.